Hi, you're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen Di Pasquale, and today we're making a lentil orzo pasta salad. So for this pasta salad, we're going to be using a lot of pantry items. So we have some roasted peppers, both yellow and red, some capers, some kalamata and green olives. I've already pitted and sliced them, some pepperoncini and some banana peppers, and a few other items such as artichokes, a little chopped peppers, and some lentils, and also some orzo pasta, and herbs and olive oil, and a little red vinegar. So we're going to start by just pouring in the pasta and the lentils, just like that. And this is about a half a pound of cooked orzo pasta, and this is half a bag of the lentils. So we'll give that a good mix, just like that, before we start adding everything. Next, I want to make a dressing in the food processor because I'm going to start adding all these ingredients in there. Not all of them, but at least the peppers and olives. So for this pasta salad, we're going to be making a dressing, but I'm going to add a lot of these ingredients, so I want them as small as possible. So first thing we're going to do is add about a quarter cup of olive oil just to get the blender going, or the food processor going. That should be good. And for a good dressing, you always need an acid as well. So instead of using a vinegar, in this case I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of this banana pepper vinegar. There you go. And I'm also adding the pepperoncini that I've seeded and chopped. I'm going to add that in as well. Next up, I'm also going to add about 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to give that a quick chop before I put it in the food processor. That goes in. We want a very flavorful dressing. Next up, I'm going to actually slice these peppers up to put in my salad, but the capers, I'm going to save a few of these. Actually, I'm going to put these in, just like that, and then I'm going to save some for the dressing because these are very briny and vinegary, and it's got a nice salinity to it. Actually, all of these ingredients do. So I probably don't need all of those banana peppers. I'm going to just add them in to my salad right here. I'm also going to add a little of this hot chopped peppers. It's also very vinegary and spicy, and it's just delicious. I'm going to add about a teaspoon. It's very spicy. Well, it's pretty spicy. And I'm also going to add a little salt. Probably a good teaspoon. You know what? I think I'll add the basil and parsley to it, to my salad. So I'm just going to give this a little whirl. So I'll take all of these herbs, the basil, the oregano, and the parsley, and I put it in a little bundle, just like that, and just give it a good chop. And you do want a lot of it because this is going to be like the green part of the salad. Okay, and now I'm going to add my dressing. And it's nice and chunky, just like I like. Adds a lot of flavor. This actually reminds me of like a good muffalata. the olives and the peppers. It's gonna go in. This is gonna be very flavorful. And I'll give it a good mix. Okay, so that's all mixed through. This is such a delicious pasta salad. It's got so much flavor. So the last thing we're going to do here is plate it up and give it a taste. So I'm going to put it in here, make it more beautiful. And this stays well. You can keep it in the refrigerator and eat it all week long. And you know, the lentils are high in fiber and high in magnesium and iron. So this is very nutritious. Not to mention economical. And being that you're using a lot of the pantry items that you have in the, you know, your cabinet, this is a really quick dish that comes together really fast. Let me just give myself a little taste. That looks good. It reminds me of a muffalata. It's so delicious, so flavorful. The dressing is absolutely delicious. Guys, if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and thank you so much.